Hi everyone, in today's video, we will discuss how to set up Linguator to create a multilingual website. When you will install and activate Linguator plugin, a setup wizard will appear. First, choose the languages for translation. Choose the languages from the list in which you want your website to be translated. Click Continue. Now, choose default language for your website. Before installing Linguator, all existing content on your website have no language assigned. Choose one for that. Then click Continue. Now, choose the URL format for your translated pages. Click Continue. Next, from Translation Configuration, enable the Translation Provider option with which you want to translate your site's content. From Language Switcher Widget Configuration section, choose which language switcher should be displayed to your users from the available options. You have now successfully set up Linguator. Watch this video to know how to start translating your website using Linguator.